Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a real quick overview of the Ortur Laser Master 2 Pro enclosure that I built. I've got another whole build video. It's almost an hour long. Some of you probably don't want to watch the whole thing, so I just did this real quick one to do an overview. That way you don't have to sit through the entire other video. So anyway, let's get to it. So we got a Harbor Freight toolbox, and the lid is not completely attached so that it swings all the way to the back. My little Tetra pump here provides enough for cutting and engraving. And then we've got all the storage space at the bottom with the drawers for all my tools, and then a bin of supplies that can fit down here. This cutout, I actually have a file for this in the plans that you can get with the plans, and I'll have all the links below in the description. So this whole thing was built with lightweight, modular in mind. In order to adjust this lifting table or lowering table down in there for tumblers, I just lift up the front of this, reach my hand in, and I can dial it down to the height that I need, or dial it up if I need to. Also, we've got these clips here that hold the lid down, and this whole thing is so light you can pick it up with one hand, but it's got enough seal on it that I don't get any smoke in the garage here. As far as ventilation goes, I'm actually 3D printing these adapters. Those are linked down below too, but I've just got a computer fan in there. And then we've got this dryer vent hose that I made the adapter for. And then we've got two inline fans, duct fans, that run everything out to the outdoors so that the smoke is clear. The acrylic on the front cuts the flash enough. It's not certified, but it's cutting the flash enough to where I don't have any kind of injury or flash blindness, but I still do wear the glasses. You should always wear the glasses that are approved for it. Top is not shaded at all, so it's not gonna protect you from the flash. This orange acrylic makes a huge difference on the flash. You can kind of see maybe through the phone. I'm not sure if it's showing quite the reduction, but it's a pretty big difference. So as I was saying, being modular, this whole thing comes apart in about 30 seconds, and it's lightweight. So if I want to burn stuff outside, if it's really nice out, I can take it all apart, just run the platform out there. And I've got enough room back here. I've designed it. You can see it in the plans. If you look through the entire other video, you've got room for accessories back here. I also have these LED lights wired up with this fan, which has an extra USB outlet on it, which is really handy. So anytime the pump's running, I've got power plugged in and the lights plugged in. We've got illumination here pretty well. So anyway, I just wanted to run over this quick orientation video. If you don't want to sit through an hour of watching me explain how to build this thing, this is just a preview video, and I'll have a link down below for the full video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to keep up with everything that we do. Thank you.